Hi, you better bring my money tomorrow, fam. I don't care. I don't give a. You get me? I don't care, fam. You bring my money tomorrow. You got 24 hours. As a matter of fact, it's 23 hours now and 59 minutes. So bring my piece, fam. No cap. I don't care, fam. Oh, hey, you alright? How you doing? I didn't even see you there. Alright, in today's video we're going to be talking about whether or not the Nike Vapormax 360s are trash, a rehash of the normal Vapormax, or if they're worth your money. So without too much talking, let's get into the video.
Yeah. Yeesh. Let's get it. Chocolate Milo. Whoa.
So yeah, it's right here, alright? See that? You see the style? You see the way I took it out? Caliente. So yeah, let's get it. Let's get it, no cap. Let me take out certain information that I don't want you to see, because it's none of your business. Yeah. Here they are. The Vapormax 360, and they look beautiful. I mean, look at this. If they were a woman, I will marry them. No cap. Bruh. Not gonna lie, these joints are nice. I'm just whoa. Listen. Wow. Are you seeing what I'm saying? Like literally like, whoa. Obviously it's got the traditional, you know what I'm saying, the Vapormax bottom, bubbles bottom, you know what I'm saying? But look at this though. The camera, I don't know if the camera can catch it here, but it's got that rainbow type of, yeah, now you can see it. It's got that rainbow type of like feel to it. It's really different from the classic Vapormax, as in it doesn't have them, you know, them plastic straps all over it, and it's just wow. I just caught feelings right now, no cap. I just caught feelings. And look at the tick, look at that tick. That tick is beautiful. From this angle is blue, from this angle is green, blue again. It's like a, oh my god. And then it's got that you see how the 110s, they have this thing. It's really a mix between like all of the Air Maxes, like wow. It's a messed up the cap here, like just from the look of it, I'm sold. Let's see what the interior is like. You know what I'm saying? Because I like to go deep. Not like that though. Relax. So yeah, this is the interior. Very simple. Just one Nike tick inside of it. Do you know what I mean? Wow. And you know these things here. Like you see how the light reflects on it. It's so futuristic. You know what I mean? So yeah, guys. Now we're gonna put them on and see what it looks like when it's on, and if whether or not it's comfortable. Alright, let's get it. So yeah guys, here they are. We're gonna put them on and put them to the test, you get me? To see what they look like. Let me know if you see it clearly. Ooh, the drip. Oh Lord of mercy, look at this drip though. Look at this drip. Lord have mercy. Oh my days. I don't know if you lot see what I see. You see the light? You see the light reflection on it? It's mad. It's mad, it's mad, it's mad. See? Oh my god. Hey, 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 hey. Let me show you from the back what it looks like. What do you guys think? That's some serious heavy drip right there. No cap, I'm falling in. Serious drip. Serious drip only, you feel me? No cap. Look at the bottom, man. Look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. Feel it, feel it. I know you want to get them. Okay, let's talk about how it feels. Walking in them it feels more grounded to me than the basic Vapormax. I don't know how to explain it, but like on the floor right now, I feel more grounded. Like I know the bubbles are there, but they're not as. It's like I don't feel them. Like it's comfortable, very comfortable, but I don't feel like I'm walking on the bubbles. If you know what I mean. Like I don't feel like I'm walking on some bubbles and that. And I think that's one thing that was kind of, I don't know, it was kind of a strange feeling with the 720s and Vapor, like the previous Vapormax. I got a pair of normal Vapormax, and I feel a difference, no cap. Do you know what I mean? Because as I told you, I previously popped my 720s, and basically since then I've always been cautious of wearing like Air Max on bubbles like that. I'm not talking about every Air Max got bubbles in it, but you know what type of bubble I'm talking about. These bubbles, like big ass bubbles like these, you know what I'm saying? But these ones, I feel good. You know what I mean? I'm not paranoid that I'm gonna pop the bubbles in it or anything like that. So yeah, do you know what I mean? Literally. What do you guys think though? I should write a book, a poem about these. I'm in love. If it was a woman, I'll marry them from no cap. Do you know what I mean? It's got a little Air Max 360. It's got everything I want, literally. Mwah, I love you. I love you too though. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to my channel from Big Man Ting. But yeah, it is what it is, man. You know what I mean? It is what it is, man. No cap. 4M know what's going on. So yeah, very comfy, very beautiful. Those are the most important things. And last but not least, you can wear these with anything. They're black. You can wear with almost anything. Do you know what I mean? That's the ideal pair of shoes for you. Do you know what I mean? That's why I like all black. Like mainly black, do you know what I mean? And when the bottom is black, because I can wear it with like almost anything, do you know what I mean? So yeah guys. They're Air Max 360. You're the most beautiful, sexy pair of Air Max I've met since the sunset. Ever since I laid my eyes on you, I fell in love. But not just any love. Not the love of a woman. Or not even the love for chicken. But more of the love of beautiful things. And when I mean beautiful things, you're in my top 3 best beautiful, most beautiful Air Max. As a matter of fact, you're number 1 in the list. But I would like you to also know that you're a part of my new drip. You know what I'm saying? Drip down season. I'm out of word to describe your magnificent beauty and might. But I'll try to do it justice by saying you're the best. Because the great philosopher says, beauty is in simplicity. Yo guys, yeah, that was it. Make sure you like this video, get me to 1,000 subscribers, you know what I'm saying? Listen, just get me to 1,000 subscribers, you know what I'm saying? If you want to cop one of these Air Forces, go click the link down in the description, you feel me? The link will be down in the description. If you want one of these pouches, Nike pouch, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? It's all on the, you know what I'm saying? In the description, lady, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you go down. And also, leave in the comment section here, like, what's your favorite pair of Air Max? Do you know what I'm saying? What is your favorite pair of Air Max? I want to know. You know what I'm saying? Let's start a conversation. You feel me? I'll respond. I always respond to comments. You get me? I'm out.
I'm from the Brooklyn XAJ. Man, mistake with a pen like JK. True say I ain't